Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. The husband is making dinner. Winner chicken dinner. Today's video is all about everyday life hacks. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. While I was on the sick and shut-in list, this is what happened in my living room. I was sad because I didn't get to film it, but that's okay. My husband likes to switch things around. But the funny thing about it is, he took a piece of the couch out and put it upstairs. But if you know me, you know this is what I do, right? There's all kind of stuff hidden back here. When you're walking in from the hallway, you can see that. So I gotta figure out what exactly it is that I'm going to do with that. I'm going to do a cleaning hack with this Dawn dish soap. It really is going to bless you. Don't pay attention to the fork. Don't pay attention to the spillage. That's only been there for 2.5 months, okay? But anyway, let's move on. So with this hack, I am actually going to put this in my shower and clean the shower with it because it gets rid of soap scum and all that great stuff. So let's see how it works. I'm one of those people who clean my shower out several times a week, but it has not been cleaned in probably about 4 days because I wanted to try this hack with you guys. Let's see if it works. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I am so glad you are here. My name is Kim, KYM, and I love to do videos pertaining to home life. If that sounds like your jam, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and show the like button some love as well. Did it work? Yes, it did. But let me just tell you something. It gets really soapy. So, but look how shiny that is. But this really did a good job. So, if you're looking for an alternative that is not harsh, you definitely should try this. Nice and shiny. But just for another hack that I'm not gonna do today is if, I've done this in another hack video, but if you put wood cleaner on your doors, it keeps the soap scum off of them. So you should try that. Thank me later, girl, thank me later. For my next hack, I will be using the bathtub, so I wanted to clean it out because it gets really dusty. Here's the next hack, and it's all up in your face because I need you to see the dust on here. It's disgusting. This is the next hack with Dawn dish soap. First, we're gonna rinse it off, and then we're gonna scrub it. Drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating out for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again. This lamp hack is genius. It was 4 shades lighter when I was finished scrubbing it. If we come clean, tomorrow is soon. We'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark warm oasis. There is nothing. Yes, this did work, but what I will say is if you do this, don't do it with a blue sponge because there are like little blue particles in here. So when I do the one for my downstairs living room lamp shade, I will not do it with a blue sponge because you can kind of see the blue particles. Long story short is it works. So yeah, definitely try this. My bathtub is not the only thing in this bathroom that's dusty. This next hack will make your house smell so good. Cinnamon cinnamon bark essential oil. Try to say that 5 times really, really fast because it just doesn't come out correctly. We have some imitation vanilla if you focus. And then I put some apples and lemon in here. You're gonna boil this and then simmer it and your house is going to smell delicious. Another hack that you can do with the cinnamon bark, you can put all of your Christmas pine cones and that sort of thing into a bag, and then you want to sprinkle your cinnamon bark on the bag inside of it and let them sit for about 5 days. Or you can just do what I'm doing because, you know, I don't have time for all that. And put the cinnamon bark on your stuff and your house is just going to smell amazing. So now that that's at a boil, we are going to turn it down and allow it to simmer. The other thing that you can do is put this in a crock pot. That works very well, as you know, too. That way you can just keep it on low all day. Now I know this sounds crazy, but another hack that I do is I put all of my lids in one area because I always like misplace stuff. So that's a good thing to do as well. No one should ever have this much. Never. Like, it's just crazy. I don't understand why there's so many Tupperware lids. It's ridiculous.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves.
Voila.
The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence.
To make more room in your drawer, the other thing that I do is I kind of like line these up as much as I possibly can. This works so well. Okay, ladies, and some of you gentlemen, another hack would be to keep your hands nice and moisturized. Use gloves when you are washing dishes.
Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
These gloves need wash too, so you definitely want to wash them after every use.
Back when I'm with you.
In order to conserve your sink life, you definitely want to dry it out after you clean it. For this next hack, you will need thick cut bacon, and I use Oscar Mayer. You're going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes and let it bake. While that's baking, let's talk about these oven liners. These are amazing, especially like if you cook a lot like we do, you want to keep these at the bottom of your stove, and I will open it up really quickly to show you what it looks like. I'm going to use this maple syrup for my bacon hack and also for another hack. For this hack, all you need is walnuts, a bowl, and some maple syrup. We're going to put some of this in the microwave. You can also use brown sugar with it if you want, but I don't want mine too sweet. So I'm going to heat this up a little bit in the microwave. Put some walnuts in there because now that that's all heated up, it's going to taste so delicious, okay? This is a really good snack for like Christmas and that sort of thing. You can also add pumpkin spice to it. You can add cinnamon, anything you want. I just like mine with the maple syrup. These were not salted walnuts, so I'm gonna add a little bit of salt as well. So in order to finish this hack, you're gonna need some wax paper or parchment paper, and then you're just going to lay them down to dry. You wanna separate them, don't let them stick together.
Suddenly you're
I don't believe in dirtying up dishes for no reason, so I'm gonna use this for my bacon as well. It has been in the oven for about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna coat one side of it with some maple syrup, and I'm gonna turn it over and coat the other side as well. Then I'm gonna put it back in the oven to allow it to bake. For you real quick. I know my camera's shaking because it's like, you know, off balance, but your girl is looking good in her apron, okay? Your girl's looking good in the apron, I'm just saying. Don't be a hater because your mama ain't like my mama. Look at this. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Suddenly you're all I need. The situation that gets me frustrated, it's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush.
My final food hack today is my bread hack. Let me tell you something. One thing that you should follow me on is how to cook and how to clean, because your girl is a beast, okay? So let me show you the bread that I'm gonna use. This is authentic Italian bread, and I'm about to make some for my daughter and for myself. Also, this is a great thing that you can make like as an appetizer, or if you're just like me and like to eat bread. So the first thing you want to do is toast it. I have something in the oven, which is the bacon, because we're not finished with that yet. So I'm gonna just go ahead and toast it in the toaster.
I know it's just a crush.
For my bread recipe, I'm going to have olive oil that I'm going to place in this bowl with some spices. I will walk you through them. Don't be trying to tell all my secrets, okay? Because like I don't share this with everyone, okay? Some pepper in here with some salt, garlic powder, rosemary, just a little bit of Badia Complete. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to coat your bread with this olive oil mix.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close. You close, yeah. Wish we could stay here forever.
Here is the maple bacon, and then you have your bread. With your bread, you can do many things with it. You can put it on hummus, which is what we have right here, or you can just eat it with your meal. And then here are the walnuts. So those are my hacks for food. Good things that you can have for like snacks and appetizers for when you have family over for the holidays as well.
Look away, we could be good friends.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you try any of these hacks, whether it be the cleaning hacks or the food hacks. Let me tell you something, if you don't listen to anything else I say, listen to me about the food, okay? Because your girl is the beast in the kitchen. Anyway, thank you for being here. I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Be sure to let me know below in the comments what your favorite hack was.